G'day, how you going? Formula One this weekend in Italy. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the track. I'll only step it up. Okay, we're going to do half a box, which is 8 packs. I only opened this up earlier. So we've got 8 packs, 4 cards per pack. Oscar Piastri is setting the world on fire. So, look at that. Straight off the back, Oscar Piastri card. I like that. See how we go. Red Bull. I don't know, I can't even read that. Sticking together. Yuki Tsunoda. Speaking of Red Bull drivers, now. Fernando Alonso. Dutch Grand Prix. Oh, look at that. Is that a yeah, that's nice. I thought it was numbered, but it's just a checkered card. I'll take that. Straight into the PC. Starting to build a nice Oscar Piastri collection up, so Nigel Mansell, legend. Yeah, these are bricked. You could say if it was junk wax, you could say it was bricked. Dennis Hauger, Joe Guan Yu, Enzo Fittipaldi, the Speed Demon. Yes. Alrighty, here they are. Alain Prost. Yeah, these legend cards are nice. Oliver Goethe. I'll always mess their names up. I'm sorry, I apologise. Logan Sargent. Lance Stroll. They did a good job with the portrait cards this for this round this year. Well, last year really, isn't it? Gee, another Logan Sargent card. On the back there, Mateus in the F3. Sticky. F2, F3, where are you? F3 cars. Kushmani, F2 driver. Two Logan Sargent cards. That's interesting. It's funny because I've actually got a PSA 10 Logan Sargent card that I bought cheap. Very interesting in that. Alright, halfway, yeah. It feels strange doing just four cards in a pack. Okay, Luke Browning, F3. Come on. Franco Colapinto. Who's he replaced? Jack Doohan. The man, the myth, the legend, Michael Schumacher. Rafael Gomez, F2. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how Franco goes in Alpine. Oh, but Goethe. Esteban Ocon. Rafael Gomez. And hang on, I've got an extra card. So there we go. Oh, that's Kevin Magnussen. That black. I don't know the cards well enough. And we have a Pierre Gasly sepia. No, black railway, black railway, black and white railway. Very nice. But this, no, it's just that's a nice card. The Camber, that's a very nice card. So yeah, black and white railway, not numbered. Not a refractor. They look good though, these cards, just, yeah, absolutely ripper cards. We've got a refractor on the back of this one. Mr. Max Verstappen, F1 sprint winner for 2023 in Belgium. Oh, come on, seriously. Christian Mansell. Logan Sargent again. Bizarre. That's very bizarre. And Lawrence Van Hulpen in the refractor. Last pack. Alrighty. So good luck, teams. Good luck, Oscar. Esteban Ocon. Driver of the Date, Monte Carlo 2023. Zhou Guan Yu. Santiago Ramos. And we got K-Mag. The Speed Demon. Hang on a minute. I saw a refractor on the back of all these cards. What's going on there? That's bizarre. I don't know. I'm confused, which is not hard to do. I confuse easily. Yeah. This is my hit. The Oscar Piastri black checkered. A lot of marks on it. So it's not the type of card I'd grade, that's for sure, but it's still nice to have in a personal collection. This is the Qatar Sprint Win 2023. So yeah, excellent stuff. All right, I'll have another 8 packs to open in the next race, whenever that is. I haven't checked the calendar. Hope you enjoyed, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Bye.